We're also now joined on the line by Hridita live from the Saldea court. Hridita, give us more details. There's a protest that is now broken out outside the Kolkata court.
Yes, ma'am. As you can see that we are at the Shialda court, Abhaya's lawyer has just come out and they have said that they are not happy with this judgment. There is a protest already that has led out outside the Shialda court near the Shialda metro station, where the doctors, the junior doctors, the senior doctors, everybody has come along. The people of Kolkata who has uproared this 3 entire months in the protesters that we have been seeing who had come in the roads in seek of justice for Abhaya, they have been waiting outside the Shialda. They have been, I will take you to the, they have come out, they have been waiting today for the final judgment. I will take you near the protest ground where the doctors have started to protest here near the Shialda metro station. You can see people who have been waiting there. They are normal common men who have been waiting to see what exactly the court announces today at the Shialda court. You can see they're just standing opposite the Shialda court because there is a high security deployment outside the court. You can see how many vans, how many police jeeps, how many vans and convoys have come today to bring Sean Joy to the court. Sean Joy has been brought in the special police van. Along with that, he has been accompanied in 10 convoys. And here we have reached near the Shialda metro station, which is just beside the Shialda civil and criminal court. And you can see how many people have been waiting here. There are protests already going on. They have been chanting. I will go to them and understand what are their exact demands. क्या डिमांड क्या है? संजय राय को लाइफ इम्प्रेजन दिया।
সঞ্জয় রায়ের ফাঁসি চাই। যতদিন না ফাঁসি হবে সঞ্জয় রায়ের মতন মানুষের একটা নিরীহ কিডকে যতদিন না ফাঁসি দেবে আমরা অনশন এখানে অনশন করতে পারবো।
Saying that we want Sanjay Roy to be hanged. Until and unless he is hanged, we will sit here. We will sit and protest here. We will not move from here because a person like him cannot be denied, cannot be denied of the charges, and he should be hanged for such an grievous that has happened. I will move forward. I have Asfakul Naya, who is one of the junior doctors, and I'll ask him. Sir,
we are making live.
We'll just try and talk to them and see that, sir, today Sanjay Roy has been given life imprisonment and not death penalty. What are your views on that?
We believe that this is not the complete justice. You can say this is the part of justice because in this heinous crime where a woman doctor posted for saving the life, who is lost her life with her dignity. So this is not the justice that we expected for. This is part of justice, you can say, but this is also seen that the one person is accused. This is not right also. So we believe that there is
So the judge has said it is not one of the rarest of rare cases, and therefore he will be not given a death penalty.
We are not agree with that because that is the judge version, and whatever judge says because of surrounding evidence too. But we have the another questions, and we have the scientific reports, scientific everything So we believe that we will put all the reports together. We'll put all the people's emotion together, and we'll fight in the higher court and higher.
Will there be more protests coming in from your side?
Obviously, we will be on the street. We were in the street, so we will be future. We will be on the street, and we will accumulate all the reports and everything. Whatever questions raised. Because this is not the question we have raised. This is the question raised by the investigation team too. But we don't know why the investigation team is not included all the reports too.
So you're going to begin with your protest again?
Obviously, we will have a protest, and we will be on the protest till justice. Not for the this should be an exemplary punishment on this stage, because this is not a normal case. This is obviously rarest of rarest crime. But I don't know why judge says in different view. But we will be on the state. We will be fight on the higher court to higher court.
So that is what we are understanding from the junior doctors' perspective, that they are going to come back to the streets again. There are more people out here who are protesting, who are not happy with what judgment the court has given. You can see how busy is this Shialda road, and amidst which everybody has made a stance to come out. There is a protest from Abhay Manch's side, and they have been voicing. They have been voicing. There are postcards that they are putting out, and they're saying that they need actions in this case. I will go and speak to her. Ma'am, you're wearing a headband. You're saying that Bicha Chiniye Neboy. I will ask you to show her headband, saying that justice, we will snatch away the justice, we'll bring justice to our court. Ma'am, life imprisonment has been given. He has been denied of the death penalty. What do you have to say on that?
Actually, for this time, it is okay. Because for this time, his survive is required. Because he knows everything. He knows the name of others culprit. So, if she got hanged, then the...
But do you really think he will be, there will be a more deeper punishment taken on, there will be he will be given more crucial punishment if the court goes to the next level?
We should bring...
I will bring you more voices and try and understand, like, are you really happy with the judgment that has been given?
This is very disappointing. I condemn this verdict. I hope that Sanjay will be highly accused, and this is rare of rarest cases, and we ought to be the capital punishment. We want capital punishment, and there were multiple DNA were found in this rape and murder incident were occurred. That is Arjikar Medical College, and we demand justice. We snatch justice. We demand justice.
So that is what we are hearing, that they demand for justice. There is more that is happening here. There are pamphlets which are being delivered. You can see there are preparations of this. You can see their preparation where they are making a doll, they are making a Krush doll that they will burn in the name of Kolkata police. They are writing Kolkata police, and then they are going to put that into the t-shirt and burn this. This is the level of anger that we see in the roads of Calcutta again. Calcutta has again rose to this. Anger will come with more reactions, understanding. Are you really happy with the justice, ma'am? Multiple people are involved. Are you happy with it?
We are not actually happy, actually sad.
Are you going to come back to the roads again?
Yes, definitely. Because this is not possible for one man to create this kind of crime. So
he is not given a death in prison. He is not given a death penalty.
we are not talking about that. We are telling saying that there are multiple people behind that. Okay, behind him there are multiple people, and all they are involved with the government and all. So until and unless they are not gonna criminalized, we will continue our movement and everything.
So everyone, that is what we are understanding, that everyone demands justice. Nobody is ready to understand the fact that it is one person who has done. They are not really happy with the judgment that has been passed by the Shialda court here. So all they want to say is that it is not only one person, but several people are involved here, and they will continue the protest. I will try and show you the scenario of Shialda right now. Outside the court, I will ask my VJ to pan and show you that how many people have actually gathered here in protest of Abhaya, in protest to seek justice.
শুরু থেকে আরজিকর মেডিকেল কলেজের কর্তৃপক্ষ, কলকাতার পুলিশ
There are constant micings which are going. There are constant miking which are going.
আমাদের একটা আশা ছিল যে সিবিআই কেন্দ্রীয় তদন্তকারী সংস্থা তারা রাজ্যের নিয়ন্ত্রণে নয়, তারা হয়তো ঘটনাটা ঠিকঠাক তদন্ত করবে এবং যারা অপরাধী প্রত্যেক অপরাধী শাস্তি পাবে। আমরা যে ঘটনাক্রমগুলো
I will go and speak to. I will go and.
যে সাপ্লিমেন্টারি চার্জশিট জমা করা হলো,
Sir.
চার্জশিট সময়ের
What
মধ্যে
is this that you are
জমা
making
না
at the
দেওয়ার
moment,
জন্য
ma'am? Why are you going to burn this Kolkata police statue?
Because they are completely ineffective and worthless people who couldn't even give us the justice for Tilottama.
So that is why you are burning this.
The effigy, exactly.
So are you really happy with what is
How can we be happy? How can we be happy? Because we know this is an institutional murder and rape. And it has not been done by a single person. It has been done by a lot of people, and we already have demanded that justice for all those who are involved. Whether it is a jurisdiction, whether it is a judiciary, whether it's a police department, whether it's the health department, everybody has to be punished.
So that is why you're back again. I will show you their badges. They're again wearing these badges for we demand justice.
All throughout, from 9th August we are wearing this badge, and we will be wearing this badge till the day we get the justice.
I will go and hear from more. Ma'am, Shirdara Bikri Noy, which means the spine is not sellable. So how long do you think this protest for Abhaya will go on?
As far we have seen, for the Honorable Court has already given the verdict that the lowest sentence is 25 years and the highest judgment is fashi, that means hangout. So for that thing, we are not only satisfied with that, because we know that Sanjay Rai is not capable for doing this rape and the organized
The
drama.
judgment that the court had passed for Sanjay Roy.
No, we're not at all satisfied, because that's why we are planning to go for habeas corpus to the court, because we are planning to give that, because that was the constitutional rights is not being denied. We already denied, because we are denying, the court is denying, the government is denying, and everyone is trying to suppress our voice. That's the main thing.
That is exactly the main thing, that the voice is being actually tried to be submissed down. It is tried to be lowered down, and that is what people of Kolkata are saying, that it is not possible for one person to do, and they will come to the roads and protest till actual justice is served. What do you say on that?
We actually want the punishment of every member of the racket. Not only Sanjay Rai, we firmly believe that there are many people who were involved in the crimes and the anti-national racket works or racket activities. Yes, we want justice for Abhaya, and we want the punishment of all anti-national elements involved in the racket and other rackets. Unless we get the punishment information from the Honorable Court, we will be on the road and we will continue our fight.
So you understand that people are saying that they will be in the road until justice is served, and this protest will continue. This पुलिस पे भरोसा कैसे करे? कोलकाता पुलिस पे भरोसा कैसे करे? क्योंकि कोलकाता पुलिस तो रेप किया है, उनके सिविक ने तो रेप किया है वो तो, और उन्होंने सबसे बड़ा एविडेंस टेम्पर किया है, तो हम कैसे हम उन पे भरोसा करें? सीबीआई पे थोड़ा सा भरोसा था जब हाई कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर दिया था सीबीआई को केस को लेने के लिए, तब थोड़ा सा, लेकिन उनका चार्जशीट जब देखा हमारा तो माथा एकदम घूम गया. No, we are not. We are extremely sorrowed about the giving justice, but I don't know what to say. But I'm sorry.
फोरेंसिक लैब रिपोर्ट है, उसमें भी कहा
So the trust on Kolkata police never stayed, and that is what people are saying.
ऑल इंडिया लॉयर्स एसोसिएशन फॉर जस्टिस
That justice, they will not leave the roads till justice is served, and that is the one thing that we're hearing. You see, there is currently a program that the Abhaya Monch is doing. Abhaya Monch is currently organizing this, and all they have to say that till justice will be in the roads today. The court had
অত্যন্ত ডিফেক্টিভ, কারণ সাপ্লিমেন্টারি চার্জশিট সেটা দেওয়া হলো না, ইনকমপ্লিটনেস অফ চার্জশিট